Yeah. Wait, hold up. Give me a sec. Uh, hey, brother. Did Danny finish? Shit. Let's see. Can't tell anymore. Packs today. Why is my internet so shit right now? Bruh. Oh my god. I'm gonna start streaming. And not to be rude or anything, but your goddamn air fan is like hurting my ears, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna hurt the. Alright? But I'm gonna start streaming. That your goddamn fan. So it's getting better. I don't know if. Yeah, kind of. Is Danny. I don't know if Danny wants to join the party.
Invite him, see.
I don't even know. I don't know which
Dude,
account
holy
he's on.
shit.
Dude, he actually did really good today. He did really good today.
I know, I saw you had like 34 viewers. Holy shit.
Yeah, dude.
We should all start our own. And stream whenever
Yeah.
someone's not streaming.
I'm gonna start streaming now. I like streaming. You know what? Streaming is actually pretty fun. Oh man.
Wait, are you gonna buy more? Wait, where did Danny get more coins?
I'll let you know, Ahmed. I'll let you know.
I fucking I spotted him.
Oh.
I spot him. This nigga said he was gonna pay me back. I swear to God.
Bye. Have a great night.
How many coins did you give him?
Pretty much a mil.
50.
That he pretty much has to pay me back. Dude, man.
How much is that?
Then like $10. Not even $10.
Oh, fuck, man. Fucking prices are now.
Prices are
So
crazy,
high.
dude. Yeah, I have an amazing team right now. I'm not gonna lie, I like my team a lot. You seen the picture of it? All I need is that team of season Sanchez, dude, and I'm pretty much set.
So fucking lucky.
You saw the picture, right?
God. Yeah. Fucking OP ass team.
And then on my bench, I
You
have.
even used it?
Yeah, dude, I love using this team. And then my bench.
Fucking hell. Oh, 4 hours? Holy shit.
More than 4 hours.
Must have been bored as fuck today. Fucking hell. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna open some packs, dude.
Fuck's sake.
You think my luck would be any good?
Fuck you.
Dude, I swear, if I can pack Messi or Ronaldo, I'll be flipping out. Oh.
Is Danny gonna join or not?
I don't know. I texted him party, but he didn't say anything.
So let's go. Oh,
This nigga needs to fucking look at his text.
He said no to streaming pro clubs.
Yeah, he doesn't like doing. I don't know what that kid wants to do. Wait, is this Messi second 96 rated right wing?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the same card pretty much, right? It is the same card, I should
pretty
say.
much. Just one thing up, I think, with the overall.
No, it's the same. It's the same overall.
Are you fucking serious? It's the exact same?
It's the exact same card that he got for the last one.
My god, I swear EA are dumb as shit. Oh.
Oh man. And then, but the thing is, Messi doesn't sell. How much was that, Messi?
Probably like 5
No,
mil.
yeah, true. His price went down a lot. I was 8 mil, 8.6.
Does he even sell?
No, that's ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna open a pack. What do you think I'm gonna get?
Shit.
Oh,
Are you streaming this right now?
yeah.
On Danny's account or your own? Okay.
He's doing a video for Alexis Sanchez.
Yeah, he told me. Because we needed to upload something.
Yeah, we haven't uploaded
Fuck,
shit in
dude.
like 5 days.
We're doing too many fucking fucking play reviews. It's getting too repetitive now. Oh, fuck.
So our graphic designer is Asian. Holy shit! I skipped the pack and I got Matic. Oh my god! I just skipped the pack and I just got
Again?
Matic. Yeah, dude, this is my like 5th times. Oh man, hey, look, it's Ahmed. He was from Danny's stream. Hey man, thanks for stopping.
Wait, are you
Thanks
on,
for coming.
Are you on your own account? Or?
Yeah, I'm on my own account. Holy shit! I just got Matic on the. As a duplicate, I wasn't even looking. Hey man, I'm not gonna talk shit or anything, but I think I have better luck than Danny. You can see it by my team. I packed Ozil and I
can't get
packed
shit.
Hazard. I mean, he did get Sanchez. Sanchez is my missing link. I just need
Yeah, that's the only thing I got. Piss
the
off.
right wing.
That's just the
We
only
need
thing
a
I got,
right
though,
wing.
Like, what, 6 million coins?
And yeah, look, all these team of the seasons here, they're all packed. Right? They're all packed. I'm not saying shit, but I think I have better luck than Danny right now.
50.
Oh my god, dude. Ah, shit. Man, nah, man. Ah, shit. Oh my god, I just got De Bruyne! Holy shit, I just got De Bruyne!
Are you fucking kidding me?
That's it. Back to back. I went from Matic to De Bruyne. Oh my god.
Why'd you invite
First
me
two
to the
pack.
party?
The first 2 pack I opened. I got Matic and De
Are
Bruyne.
you fucking serious?
Oh man, it's all because of you, Mahad.
Fucking
The
bullshit.
first person to come. Oh my god. Dude, I'm laughing. Danny didn't get shit. He only got team of the season Sanchez in like 3 mil. And I just opened like 30k worth of packs. And I got man of the match De Bruyne.
This is so unfair.
Oh my god, he's 400 to 600. Oh my god. He doesn't sell, surprisingly. Oh my god. Yo man, see I holy shit. Man, and there's only one person to see that. Hell yeah. Oh man, I don't know why, but my luck for this team of the season has just been so good.
Fucking bullshit.
For this team of the season, it's just been so good. I just need that Sanchez. If I can get that Sanchez, I'll cry. I'll cry. I think I got it. Packed almost everyone but Sanchez and Aguero.
So unfair.
Ooh, 200k coins. Thanks. Um, I can. Well, I have two of them already. I have two of the men in the matches now. You have man in the match Messi, which actually I was just realizing that's the same man in the match that you had like a couple of months ago, or a month ago that you had. And then left wing Cavani, which actually looks pretty good. I would like to pack that Cavani. And then we have, this Ozil. I packed him. And then we have the De Bruyne that I just packed. If I'm
Fuck
speaking
you.
really fast right now, it's because I'm in shock that I just packed Matic and De Bruyne pretty much back to back.
Fuck you.
Oh my god. Ooh, Walker. You know what? I don't have Walker first packed Walker for some reason. I'm almost positive I don't have him. Yeah, he will. But you know what? I'm a Arsenal fan, so I'm gonna keep him. Uh, Fuck that. I'll cook some of this ass. Oh man. Oh dude, I can't believe I just started streaming. I just opened like 3 packs, and that shit just happened. I should text Danny. It says, "Oh man, this card pack. Oh man, I don't know. With my luck lately, I keep discarding Messi for Lino.
Fuck you.
Oh my god, let me. I'm trying to show off to Danny right now. How you write De Bruyne?
I don't care. Just
The Yeah, that's how you write it. Oh man, do it. All right, I'll do the next one right here. Give me a sec. Ooh. All right, I'm not. Um, Ahmed, should I look at the pack or not look this card?
you can. I'll look at
Look
it.
at it. Wow, Danny right now is bitching at me because I just packed De Bruyne and Matic.
Fuck you, bitch.
No look. All right. I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking. Holy shit. I'm just gonna hear it. Oh my god. Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
It's a what?
I, I'm gonna write in chat. I can't do it.
Wait, what'd you get?
I got Fabregas. I
Are you
saw it.
fucking kidding me? A team of the season?
Yeah, I got team of the season Fabregas, first owner.
Fucking kidding me?
I'll give you coins.
I.
No one
Why the fuck can't I get
has
shit?
to
Probably want to
know.
be a boy and spot me 1 mil.
I'll give you coins. No one has to know. No, dude. I told you. I told you I didn't want to do no look discard because this shit would happen.
God. Son of
Oh
a
my
bitch.
god.
You opened 3 packs in a row, and they all have a fucking special card in it. I opened
Sus.
6 packs and they're all non-rares.
I'm gonna keep him. Okay. Shh.
That's cheating.
Don't
That's
wanna.
cheating. Quick sell 'em.
This card.
Quick sell 'em. I'm gonna tell the whole world. Quick sell 'em right now.
Oh,
You probably have like six Fabregases.
oh my god. I just packed Fabregas,
Say
dude.
bye. Say bye. Have a great time.
Oh man, I'm lagging apparently. Oh my god, my internet is shit right now. Hey, hold up. I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? Do you know why I'm lagging?
No.
You can't see my video. Okay, let me.
You know why? Because you got a quick sell Fabregas. That's why. You gotta say bye. Have a great time,
All right,
Fabregas.
are you good, man? Yeah, I was gonna restart it, but I didn't know if you dude, man. I just packed Matic, De Bruyne, and Cesc Fabregas, and not even 100K worth of packs. Oh my god,
So much
dude.
fucking BS.
Oh my god, dude. I like balls. I'm gonna keep these balls. Alright, man. Thanks. Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. I haven't had this good of a pack luck.
So much bullshit.
Oh my god, dude. I'm scared. You should have discard tots. Yo, oh my god, dude. You should discard. You should have discard tots. I can't do that, man. I had never packed them. If it was a duplicate, I probably would have done it just for the lulz. Especially with
Nah, it's
I
just
should have
no.
done it with
You gotta
Matic.
quick sell him.
I should have done Matic. Mat, I'll discard Matic. Would that make it up for you?
No, no. You gotta quick
Um,
sell Fabregas.
no, shut
You
up.
gotta quick sell him. You have to go to your word.
If
Hold up your side of the bargain.
if
Come
I
on now.
discard, look, man, I'll discard my
Now you gotta
Matic.
quick sell him.
Okay, do it right
No,
now.
no.
Alright, I'm doing
Matic
Matic.
wasn't.
I'm doing Matic. Fuck
Matic wasn't
off.
in the pack.
Nah, fuck off. He was in
You're
a
letting
pack.
him
He
down.
was in a pack.
You're letting him down.
Oh man, he just said not Matic. Fuck.
Yes. Yes.
A
You gotta
pack.
quick sell him, Carlo. That's what you get for being a cocky fuck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit, I'll discard Matic with no problem. Fucking no one wants
Nah,
me
but
either way.
Matic wasn't in that pack though.
Oh my, I just need a Sanchez, dude. I need Alexis Sanchez. I'm sorry. I don't care. If it was Alexis Sanchez, I would have kept him. I wouldn't care. Alright, I'll discard Matic right now. I'll discard
Nah,
Matic right now.
Matic wasn't in that pack.
Yo, Chris, you
Which
wanna
Fabregas was in
shut the
that
fuck
pack.
up? Why did I just send that kid
Nah,
to
but
the...
like you gotta quick sell him. Not
Alright,
fair.
man. Oh, man. I gotta quit some my Matic now.
Nah,
Pretty
not
sure.
Matic. You have like 5 of those.
Oh, man. Look at that. 10K just for you. Boom, he's gone. He's gone.
Damn, you're flaw. Flaw.
He's gone, man. Oh, he just said
You gotta,
wait. I just did it.
you gotta
It's too
give.
late.
Nah, he's gonna say you gotta give me Fabregas.
Oh my god. He just said wait, right? When I said I discarded. Just when I discarded him.
Fuck.
I just discarded Matic for you, man. You said wait too
Cheap
long.
shit right there.
Oh my god. I got Fletcher, dude. Fucking Fletcher from Cent. Oh man. I was gonna say play a match if you would, don't discard. Discarded him anyways. Oh man. Rafa. Ah, man. Bro. See, I told you, my pack look is so much better than Danny's. As you can tell right off the bat. Holy shit, dude. Yo, my friend just called me. He's probably called me to go out.
Texting.
Turn off the TV pack. Alright, I'll turn off
And
my
then quick
TV.
sell it.
I'll turn off my TV and then I'm gonna watch it. Watch it on the stream. Alright. Alright, I'm turning off my TV right now. I just turned off my TV. I'm gonna wait and watch it on the stream. Who do you think I'm gonna get? Huh? Oh man. Oh wait. Oh no, I can't watch it on the stream. I can't watch it. Not on the stream. No, but I turned off my TV though.
Carlo, what the fuck's your thing?
Uche. What the fuck is what thing?
Your dream shit.
Carlo ET14. Which okay. All right, then I'll pause the stream.
I'll tell you.
All right. Dude, my TV's still off. I'm trying to do this. Did I open the pack? Yeah, I did. I still opened the pack. What did I get? Alright, I can't see. I don't know what's happening. Oh my God, did I get anyone good?
That shit laggy as fuck.
What, my stream?
Oh, I mean, let me just lower that down.
Bullshit. Yo, bullshit. He just said I got messy. Did I get messy, Chris? Are you watching my stream?
Yeah, I'm watching. You gotta quick sell it though.
No, fuck off. I'm not quick selling if it's
Sell it.
messy. I'm
You
watching.
gotta quick sell it. Nah,
I'm
try
going
it.
to see. No, fuck
You
off.
gotta quick sell. Just quick sell it.
Why does my TV take forever on? No, I didn't get messy. What the fuck you guys on? You fucking high. There's so much. Oh, look, I got Pyramid Sack. He should have got the man of the match. Dude, I wouldn't believe I got messy. Because so far, I gotten way too many fucking Team of the Seasons. Oh, man.
They can't get shit.
Holy shit. Alright. Then I got Rondon. Holy shit, dude. Oh, man.
Backflip pack.
TOTS. Backflip pack? Yeah, let me do a backflip pack. Because I can. I gotta do a toe pack. The last time I did a toe pack, I got fucking hazard. Alright, I'll do a nose pack for you. Hamid. Alright, nose pack. X. Let's see what we get. This is for you.
And this shit is late as fuck.
Fucking Valbuena. I remember when Valbuena was like nasty last year in the Ultimate Team. Haven't tried them
You're
out.
Still opening the pack.
Well, no shit. There's a delay, dumbass.
It's late as fuck.
There's always been delayed as fuck.
I didn't know it was that much.
Tim Krul. Alright, I'll do a toe pack now. Now I have to do a toe pack. Okay, toe pack ready? Oh shit, what did I just do? Up. Okay, up. I swear to God, if I get like hazard again on this toe pack, I'll flip. Oh, I got complete shit. Say your favorite player when a player. Alright, I'm gonna do that. My favorite player is Alexis Sanchez. I fucking doubt that I'm gonna pack him. If I pack him, I'm ending the stream there. It's gonna be like a 20-minute stream because this is just ridiculous if I do. Alright, ready? Give me that. Give me that Alexis Sanchez. Alexis Sanchez, baby. No, Barzali. Barzali.
You gotta believe You
I gotta
believe,
sing
you'll achieve.
the Sanchez chant. Ready? Sing it with me. Alexis Sanchez, baby. Alexis Sanchez, oh. Alexis Sanchez, baby. Fuck. Widen. Dude, I'm terrible with pronouncing names. I'm just trash when it comes to. Ooh, I love balls.
Fucking hell.
Dos Santos. You know this guy. He like I know this guy. Like I have a friend that looks exactly like him. Dos Santos. Not the striker, the CM.
Mexican?
Yeah.
Fuck that guy.
Give me a sec. Oh man. Oh my god. Why is my dude? I swear to God, I have the shittest internet connection wherever I go. Oh man. That's mine. Are you watching the stream?
Ah. Oh, whoops.
Aw,
Now I am.
Tifty. No, fuck off. You don't have to.
Alright, okay, I'm leaving them. Bye, have a great time.
So yeah, I really want to get Alexis Sanchez. Oh my god, I got De Bruyne again! I got De Bruyne again!
You fucking serious?
Oh my god, and we're talking. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How the fuck?
I got De Bruyne again. Oh,
That's so
oh
much
my
bullshit.
god.
Does he even sell?
No, not really.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, this guy's not reacting, so I'm pretty sure.
Fuck, now I want to open packs.
I got De Bruyne, man. I get to fucking. I have to put him on the transfer list because he's a duplicate. Alright, if I get 80. Holy shit, dude. You saw that, Ahmed? That's my second De Bruyne, and you witnessed both of them. Holy shit. Oh my god. Hey, guys. Hey, Jordan. Hey. I don't know how you pronounce that. Yannick? I don't know. Dude, why doesn't De Bruyne, like, he's in the packs right now, and he doesn't sell for shit. I want to list him up, though. That's two De Bruynes, dude. Oh my god. I got two De Bruynes, dude, and 400. Dude, I can't believe my luck right now. Dude, I'm feeling that Messi.
Fuck.
I didn't even look. Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Oh, man, I really want to use all these coins on packs too because my pack luck right now is extremely crazy. And if anything, I'll give you like 5K. I'll buy a player off of you. Oh man. on your. Holy shit, nice pool, dude. Ahmed. I don't know if you. I think that answers your question. If you have a sword right next to your name, sir. You know this guy. He was in the stream since the beginning, and yep. Holy shit, dude. You should be mod already, Ahmad. 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 Ahmed. Ahmed. Oh. Oh my god, dude. Is that yeah, I never seen that alien brain slug. Oh man, please can you find my oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Dude, I can't believe I just packed the Bourne twice.
You're lucky as fuck.
Dude, I'm telling you, my pack luck this week has just been insane.
I can't get shit still.
Straight. I got I have a solid mod right now. He just timed down someone for
What the
for
fuck
begging
is
for
that?
coins. Huh?
What
Ahmed.
the hell is that?
A mod?
Yeah.
Like pretty much someone who has like control over the chat.
Oh.
Give them a warning first before you time them out. Hey, look, it's this guy Kevin. Hey man, thanks for stopping by. Yo man, I I wouldn't doubt if I get it TOTS, man. I don't know if you guys been here. Like I can show you I can pretty much make a team out of packed TOTS. Like holy shit. Should I show them the team? Eh? Should I show them?
Oh. Yeah, fuck it.
Man. Damn, you're French? I would love to learn French. French is like isn't French like the sex language? Everyone wants to be French. It's like the sexy shit. What the fuck did I just say?
Gay.
Oh my god.
I think you're off.
That this guy Kevin just asked who's the best person I packed. Well, the best person I've packed, I'll show you right now. I'll go. Yeah. No, don't forget yeah. Wait, before you wait, oh, I don't see this. Let's go to. Oh no, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Oh man. Is it this bullshit? Yeah, it's this bullshit. Um. Alright, guys, these are all packed. And I don't know French. These are all packed. Oh, look who just joined, Danny boy. All these players right here, I packed them. I got Ozil today, Fabregas today, and then my best pack is Hazard. I fucking love Hazard. Yo, Danny. Yeah, no man, I've been having the stupidest luck this week. Oh my god. Hey Cameroon, hey Noah, hey Aiden. Oh shit, look, Danny, I have your boy Aiden in my chat. And this guy. Oh shit,
What?
Danny just. Hey Danny, you're not a mod. I want to mod you right now.
Oh, Danny's in the
Yeah,
stream.
I just, I just, I just made Danny a mod. Oh my god, dude, Danny. Hey guys in the chat, tell them how much better luck I have than him, cause he can't really pack shit. He, yo, my oh my god, I have the circle of death right now on this shit. Oh my god, why? Danny just, you're experiencing issue that I just get kicked out of.
Oh, fuck off.
What happened?
I just got Matic. God damn
You
it.
got Matic?
Out of all the cards, I get Matic again.
I got Pele, dude. I just got the legend Pele.
Yeah. Fuck's sakes.
Oh
Fuck
man,
Matic, why don't you sell?
we're on PS4. You should do what I did. I discarded his ass.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Who's there?
God damn it.
Oh,
Wait, are you opening 15k packs or 35?
I already opened my 35 and I got Ozil
Yeah.
and Ribery, but Ribery's not.
Brother, would you swap me wood now if I pay you back?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Are
I paid you
you?
back last.
Hey, Agent.
No, I mean, not today, though.
Oh shit! He just said, "I'm sorry, Danny. Don't get mad at me."
Oh!
Hey, nose pack for Aiden, because I'm gonna get bitch slapped by Danny if I don't do it. Oh man, I just did a nose pack
got
for.
pussy.
Oh man, that was a pretty shit.
Just got myself an inform.
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh my god.
Give him weird suggestions. Danny's telling him. Danny's making the chat, making me do weird superstitions to open packs. Pace.
Fucking Herb.
Oh, do an elbow pack. I'll do an elbow pack right now, man. Hashtag 4 hour. Danny, I don't know why. Danny, honestly, why are you saying 4 hour mark, huh? No, man, I have terrible luck with no luck discard pack.
Do it.
Listen
Do
to
it.
Aiden, man. Trust, I'm
Yeah.
out. Oh my god. Oh shit, I forgot I was supposed to do a elbow pack. I completely forgot about it. I'll do it right now. I'll do it right now. Discard Smalling because Smalling's shit.
My god.
Alright, I'm gonna do this elbow pack. Alright. X. X. Up. X.
Oh.
Alright, man, let's see. Let's see what we do, what we're gonna get in this elbow pack. I really need that Sanchez. Both of you pack Sanchez, man. I'm really pissed. Oh man, I got an Isco. Shit, man.
Well, now I
Fuck
just
that.
have 354 coins.
Do a whole pack. Wait, someone said leave the room pack.
Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the room. I'm leaving the room. Ah, man. How great are you? Alright, I'm going back in the room now. Let's see what I get. Ah, I just hit my toe. Ah, that hurt. Oh, well, so far non-rare, non-rare, non-rare. Welcome to the disco. Oh man, I got complete shit. Alright, now we have to do a toe pack. For FIFA crazy. Oh. Up. I got the quick trigger. Say always a beast pack. Alright, I got you. Ah, Hingerland. Fuck Hingerland. Hingerland. I can't pronounce fucking names. I'm terrible. Ooh, 4,000 coins. Alright. Alright, next pack. Ready? I'm gonna say Ahmed is a beast. And because since he's a beast, I'm gonna get a TOTS in this pack. Right, Ahmed? Oh shit, I got Hummus. He's alright, but he doesn't sell for shit. Oh man. I don't know why bad luck keeping packs. You don't sell, but I'm just gonna list you up. Dude. I got a spoon in my room. What should I do with a spoon?
Shove it up your ass.
Let's see what Danny said. Ready?
It's pronounced Ahmed.
Ahmed, do I have the accent? Do a 21 pack? Oh, look, I got Peter Crouch. This is amazing. Do a 21. Hey, Chris, what's 9 plus 10? 21.
19. Oh.
Fuck off. It's 21, bitch. Ah, I got Kolarov. Kolarov. I'm not the greatest. Man, my pack luck just died down. It just died down. Alright, I'm gonna do the FIFA crazy. Say EA is your best friend pack. Alright, you know EA. You've been the best friend, man. I've been getting the best thoughts around. You haven't given me Sanchez. You know, EA. I'm not really that great of a friend right now. That was a shit pack. Holy shit, that was a shit pack. All right. You know what's funny? I'm gonna spin in this wheel. Ready? I'm gonna spin in this wheel. Let's go. Oh shit! I just threw my control. Oh man. Oh man, I got. Who did I get? Who did I get? Oh man, this guy is actually pretty pacey for a silver. Ooh, does he sell? No, he doesn't sell for shit, right? Where's the 300? Whatever. And oh man, I got Vermaelen from Barca, who got a trophy for not doing shit. Gotta lick the spoon for eating. I'm gonna eat the spoon out. You guys get me? I'm gonna eat it out. I got Kolarov. Kolarov. Pretty shit. Dude, one thing you guys should know about me, I'm terrible with pronouncing names. Like, I'm just fuck all terrible. I just lost a spoon, guys. I dropped it and I lost it. Oh man, I got an inform. I just got an inform. Inkulu. He's actually a duplicate. Inkulu. And I don't think he sells for shit. Oh. He doesn't sell. Why don't you sell? Oh man, I just spun around my chair for no reason. Do a sex noise pack. Hey man, Alhamdulillah, thanks for stopping by. You've been awesome. You're an awesome mod. Do a giveaway. Do a sex noise pack. Alright, I gotta do the sex noise packs because Danny said to. Oh shit. I got Ter Stegen. Man, I really want to see a TOTS too. But shit's just not happening. Shit's just not happening for me. Dude, I really haven't gotten a TOTS in 300k. What the hell? I like died down. Oh my god. Oh, I got a perfect link. I got that perfect link. Oh man. Was my sec noise on point or not? He didn't. He didn't just diss me and Danny. Oh man. He just. Was that a knowing that we're already birthed? Holy shit. Apparently my moaning isn't good enough for them. Clearly they can never sleep with me because I'm too good for them. Yo shit, I got Rafa like 20 times this pack opening. Oh man. What the fuck? Oh my god, Daddy. Oh, I just got another inform. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. Doof? Doof? I don't know. He's a duplicate that doesn't suffer shit, pretty much. Alright. Alright. Yep. You don't sell. You don't sell. Who is your Bundesliga TOTS prediction and BBVA prediction? Well, I know Lewandowski's gonna get one. Root buying the Bayern Munich. And then you have De Bruyne. Who else? Probably maybe Royce. Maybe Royce. It'd be awesome if Aubameyang gets a toss. Imagine him as a striker with that pace. It's like having Theo Walcott. And then, BBVA is like the team of the season is almost like the same every year. If you, oh my god, dude, I haven't gotten a team of the season. This is really pissing me off. Man, thank you, Ian. That's because I'm more experienced than Danny. Hush, hush. Yep, Ian, man, whenever you're in the stream, my pack plug just like the high. It just wow, I can't speak. The I can't speak for shit, man. I'm trying to say. What am I trying to say? Let me think. The chances of me packing someone good increases by like double when you're in the chat. Oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Neymar will get a. Yeah, yeah, I think Neymar is gonna get the team of the season over Suarez because Suarez didn't really play well until like the second half of the season, where Neymar was more consistent. Dude, what the fuck? I want a team of the season. I forgot to follow, but I did now. Ah man, thank you, Eden. Oh man. Oh shit, I have to do a noise pack and a toe pack. I haven't done it. Oh shit, I should do it. Like, I forget. I have like. Oh my god, I got Bolasi again. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh man. I just got Bolasi again, Chris. Or should I
Lucky
say,
fuck.
this is my third Bolasi I fucking packed. Does he sell? Ooh, he sells. Tell me. Should I discard him? Oh man, if there's a way to give it to you guys, I will. All right, now I'm gonna do a nose pack for Eden, and then right after this nose pack, I'm doing that toe pack. Wow, dude, I have like this short-term memory loss, dude. I got Draco. All right, ready for the? Oh man. All right, the toe pack. The toe pack. Toe pack for the win. Up. Dude, I really want to get that Sanchez, man. I want the TOTS so badly of Bolasi. Man, if there's a way, if EA never took, oh, I got shit in this pack. If EA If EA never took out, that player trading, I I, I would have put up that velocity at the end of the giveaway. I probably would have given away Bolasi. All right, forehead. Gotta do a forehead pack for Danny. Yo, this shit's impossible. Got it. I can't do it. I can't. I
Bro, I
just.
think I'm gonna hop off.
All right, go ahead, man. See you later. I can't. I can't do this. How the fuck do you do a toe pack? I mean, a head forehead pack. I gotta go. I gotta. I gotta go this way. I gotta go this way. I gotta. I gotta. I can't press X, dude. I can't press X. It's impossible to press X with the forehead. Oh, oh. Okay, I found a sweet spot. Oh, I should have did it. Oh, I did it. I did it. Forehead like Juvie. Hey Vince. Yo man, I packed two of the team man of the match. Oh, Bravo, my fucking boy. Man, I fucking love Bravo. I really hope he is gonna get the team this season without a doubt. I now want to pack him. Yo man, Vince, I already packed two of the man of the matches. No, only has the skills that can trade and true. Have you done a repeat saying goalkeeper pack? No. Oh man, I got the Lord Bentner, man. You guys distracted me. We got the Lord. I got. Oh, yeah, I'll show you right now. We got man. And this we got an Ozil. And then where's my boy? Where is he? And then we got De Bruyne. We both pack them. We got Ozil and then De Bruyne. De Bruyne looks fucking beastly with that 91 shot and oh man, he has 390 stats. And actually, I packed De Bruyne twice. I have a De Bruyne in. I have a De Bruyne in here. Do a Lucas Podolski put the Lucas song and sing it? Ah. Oh man. Holy shit, bro. I'm opening this free pack. Wow. Do a bite your lip pack. I want to bite my lip for this next pack. I'm biting my lip. I look sexy as fuck biting my lip. Oh my god, I saw the Portuguese flag in Real Madrid. I was about to scream. But of course not. It's pretty much a Tro Ronaldo. Because you're a whore. Alright. Hey, and now I have to do the Lucas Podolski. Alright, for my boy Danny. Gotta start it. Let's see. Let me, I have to skip ahead. Oh. Oh. My. Alright, you guys ready? This is for Danny, the Lucas Podolski. Ready? Lucas Podolski, Lucas Podolski, Lucas. Oh my god! The Lucas Podolski pack worked! Oh my god, Danny, my boy! Danny, my boy! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god, Danny! The Lucas Podolski pack! Oh my god, Danny! Holy shit! We got fucking. Oh my god, Oh my god. That's hilarious. Holy shit. Oh my god. But he doesn't sell, does he? Holy shit, dude. He didn't. Oh my god. My jelly. Oh my god, and then I got Cruz. Oh man, I honestly thought I was gonna get like I was gonna crack up if I got Lucas Podolski in this pack, but nah, we actually got our team of the seasons. That's I oh my god, I'm lost with words with that. Holy shit, out about your shit. Did we get Lucas Podolski? Nah, pasty. While opening a pack, you'll enjoy it. I feel like I'm gonna regret watching this. Um, wow, what the fuck, Vince? I just saw that. Right before I do that nasty pasty video or whatever that is, I don't really want to know. I'm gonna do two nose pack for my boy Eden. Uh, all right, first nose pack right here. Oh man, holy shit! I can't believe the Lucas Podolski pack actually worked. That's pretty shit. Chakielka. I really want to pack that Cavani. I don't know why, but I like Cavani as a player. Oh man. Alright, the second nose pack for my boy. Up. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh shit. Oh god.